Hey guys, we're just headed out now to get the Tesla fixed. If you've seen my short, you'll see the squeaking here. I'll put it in the video here. You hear that? There you go. Isn't that horrible? Okay guys, we just left the service center. We dropped the car off at 1:30. It is now, what time is it? It's 5:21. I drove to a supercharge station and they fixed the car. They changed both the passenger side and the driver side front A-arms with new ball joints or whatever. Cars is like brand new again. Rides nice. There's no thumping. There's no squeaking. And they even gave me a loaner car, which I put some pictures here in the video for you. And it was a really good experience. So the tire rotation, they charged me $70 to rotate the tires, but they didn't charge me anything else for all that work. So I got it out of there about almost 5 o'clock, 1:30 to 5 o'clock. So super pleased. Other than the drive for me having to come over here, but if you live close to a Tesla area or a service center, you know, you wouldn't have that problem I do. So charging the car back up and headed back home. Thanks for watching.